He is still a jack, still intact. He's approximately 13 years old, stands 12'1". Now he ran into a fence at the auction, so his left eye's a little gunky, messed up. He still has vision, protect himself. So if you also need, a protector, this sweet girl is lot 1063. A smooth mouth Percheron mare, stands 17 hands. Now, poor baby definitely needs good groceries. They've used this baby girl up. Old little scratches, bite marks or something on her. Still got nail holes. Feet definitely need to be trimmed up. Lots of groceries, but she is so sweetie. Easy to catch, great to be around.